Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, I do post on my channel every single Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. But today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing / review video. I haven't done one of these in a few years. The last one I did was on my Saint Laurent purse, which I will have above and also linked down below. But today I will be doing a Gucci unboxing. In particular, I will be sharing a review on the Gucci Marmont Super Mini purse, and I'm also going to just talk about the pros and cons after the unboxing, and then also just share with you what fits in it, because it is the super mini size and I feel like it is quite a popular size, but also you want to know how much you can fit in it because it is the smallest size they have. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the unboxing. Starting first, it came of course with the Gucci green bag. I do like to keep all of the packaging, including even the bag, just because I like to keep it in pristine condition as much as I can, and also if I ever do decide to resell, that you have everything that it comes with it, because I find a buyer really appreciates that and would want to have everything that comes with your luxury item. And also I just like to try and keep my luxury goods as great condition as possible, because luxury items are not cheap, and also with some luxury items they do hold their value and sometimes even increase in value depending of course on the item. So speaking of that, I'm gonna go ahead now and take out the box. So it just also came, of course, with this green Gucci design. I've seen the black and white boxes, and as well as this style with the green and kind of like the paisley design on the bag and box. So it just says Gucci in black on the front. I did go ahead and remove the bow that they had on the box, but other than that, once you open it, you just have a layer of tissue. And then when you go past that, you just have the dust bag with the purse inside that says Gucci in the front. And then of course inside is the purse, and this is what it looks like. It is definitely very small as you can see, but it is absolutely perfect. So inside, of course, it just has all the stuffing and the cards, authentication and all of that. It is one of the world's hardest things, I think, filming with a puppy. Look who is right by my feet and trying to be a part of the video. Do you need your moment? He always needs to make a little cameo on every single video I do. I will have this purse linked down below for you guys, but I really loved the chevron kind of detail with the stitching on it. And then on the back, of course, it just has their staple heart. I did go ahead and get the color black, just because black I find is a staple, and it's something that I always gravitate towards and always do go for, our black purses. But of course there are so many different colors in this purse that I absolutely loved, and they actually have really nice fall colors as well that I was tempted to go for, but ultimately I did go ahead and stick with the black. And of course it does just have all of the gold accent, so it has the gold GG emblem or logo right in the front, and then when you open it, on the inside of course is just the gold kind of like antique looking chain. And then on the very inside as well, it does also have a gold keychain on the inside. It doesn't have much to it, it just has one pocket. Now I'm just gonna talk to you guys a little bit about it, the pros and cons, why I decided to go with this one. I was debating between two purses when I went to Gucci, and that was the Gucci Marmont Super Mini and as well as the Gucci Dionysus. I believe I'm saying that right. I will pop up a photo, Supreme Mini. But the reason I ultimately decided to go with this one, just because the other one is very structured. They are similar in size, but because it is so structured, you can't fit as much into it. However, this one, because the leather is so soft, it does have a lot of stretch to it. It's very easy to stuff more into it if you want to. And like I said, I do have a Saint Laurent envelope purse, and that one is very structured and durable, which can be really great because it's harder to kind of ruin, but at the same time, it can be sometimes a con. It can be sometimes quite frustrating and annoying to have such a structured purse, because it doesn't give you much give or much room. So that is why I ultimately went went for this one, but they are very close in price point. And ultimately the super mini ones are more affordable than a lot of luxury items. So I really wanted to go with this, and personally myself, I'm really into mini purses. I have been for quite a few years. I really don't like to carry large purses. I don't find myself gravitating towards them. I'm one to just carry a few things on the go and I'm good to go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just share with you everything that can fit into this purse and what I typically like to carry with me on a daily basis. Starting first, I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone into it. I do have the iPhone 12 for reference and it fits perfectly in here, as you can see. And then moving on now, I always carry my card case. So I have my YSL card case. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that also inside. And then I do go ahead and have to carry my keys, so I will put that inside as well. My keys are quite bulky, but as you can see, it still fits. And typically what else I carry would be something like a lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and carry that. And then once in a while too, I can also fit in like a little roller ball perfume. And it is stuffed to the brim, however, it does still close. So it does carry quite a bit for being so small. And like I said, I'm only one to carry the basics. I don't really like to over carry things and random things. I'm definitely not into that. I definitely used to do that back in the day, but I just like to carry the essentials when I'm on the go, especially if I'm not going somewhere for long, if I'm just going to a store or have to do a little errand. This is when I like to use this purse, or also just for a night out. Another thing I really love about the purse is how versatile it is. So although it just looks like a basic purse, there are so many different ways that you could wear this purse. You could wear it as a crossbody, as a long strap, shorter strap, carry it just like this as a clutch without the strap. And as well, the last way, of course, is wearing it as a belt bag. And there's so many tutorials online of how to kind of play with the chain to wear it so many different ways. And like I said, it does have the keychain here, which is a perfect way to help with wearing it as a belt bag, which can be really useful as well when you are traveling and you just want to have something in front of you. That is my entire video on the Gucci Marmont Super Mini. This is definitely my new favorite. It is something that I find works in my lifestyle and I use it a ton. I love, like I said, smaller purses, so it's really up to preference, but I totally recommend if you're looking in the luxury world and you really also don't want to, you know, go for a luxury item that is too on the expensive side, definitely check out the Super Minis. And like I said, I will link this one down below, as well as the Dionysus one, which is a beautiful bag, and I totally love that one as well. So it really just depends on what you're looking for and preference and style. So I'll go ahead and link both of them, but I am super happy with this purchase and I know I'm going to get even more use and wear out of it. The only con, of course, I could see with this is it is super small, but at the same time, when you're buying something like this, you are expecting it to be small. Like, I totally like to wear this for the most part, but of course there are going to be days when you want a bigger purse, so this is not going to be the purse for that day. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review slash unboxing. If you did, thumbs it up if it was useful. Like I said, I will link everything down below. I will also link a cashback site, so if you guys sign up with my link now, you will get free money, and if you purchase off any of their sites that they have, you can get free cash back. It's always in my description box, as well as my Poshmark. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday, and with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!